Okay, I'm not sure where Peter is. I lost him. He's gonna have to find his own way out. It's raining all day, but it turned to snow. It's wet, nasty snow. Whew, sorry, I'm out of breath. These trails are tough. This is a nice, easy spot. That's why I thought I would film. Holy shit. I'm not sure where Peter is, but he's gonna have to find his own way out, I guess. He's been up this path more than me, actually. Oh. Wow. Got right snowy, big flakes, right? It's just a wet. It's probably only 0 degrees. So, oh boy. Good day in the woods, but I'm soaked. I'm cold. I just want to get out of the woods here. You see these rocks? Shit. Right. And when these were snow covered the last time we're coming out, you don't even see them. You just twist your ankle. I am absolutely soaked. It is wet. All these rocks. The ankle twister avenue right here. All right. Slowly making my way through all these rocks and roots. Big rocks. Oh man. Anyway, it's a good day. We fixed the shelter up a little bit. Had a fire going. We brought out Christmas Day leftovers, so we had turkey dinner out in the woods. It was good. Oh man, getting cold. So I'm glad I'm within like probably half a kilometer or so getting the hell out of the woods. Now that I've walked through the woods going back, I'm soaked. I'm absolutely soaked. My legs are just soaked. So I'm happy to be getting out here. But we'll be back. I'll be doing some winter camping. It's Boxing Day, so I'm just waiting for everything else to open up tomorrow, and I'll go out and shop. If I can't find what I want for the price I want for a tent stove, a wood-burning tent stove, I'll order one online or something. I'm just hoping I can find one in a local store. That's what I would prefer. But I'll do what I got to do. You can hear the radio. It's in my backpack. It's nice to have a little background music when you're working here trying to get the hell out of the woods. All these rocks. Whew. Basically worked all afternoon just to keep fire going. It's super wet out here, obviously. Oh man. Yeah, it's good times. And a nice full out snowstorm going now. It's like 1 degree cold enough to actually, with the wind chill, to snow. So here we are. And I am just absolutely, I don't know if you can see this, but I am absolutely just soaked. Yeah. That's the dry color. That's the wet color. Anyways. Yeah, it's a good time. Oh man. All these rocks. These roots. Sometimes it feels like this trail will never end. But every step you take, you know you're one step closer. Getting the hell out of here. Okay, now where's the trail go? Does it go there? I think it goes here. Yeah, there it is. Peter's behind me. I don't know how far back he is, but he can't be having much fun. But the same amount of fun as I'm having right now. It's very wet snow. It's just barely cold enough to snow. This is supposed to be rain. They weren't calling for any snow, so it's just a degree or so cold enough to actually snow. Anyway, guys, I'll be back. I gotta find a trail through here somewhere, and we'll be back.